Hey guys, Alana Carter here, the driver of the Scalar Performance SCR1. For this Tech Tuesday, we're going to be talking through a short clip of some of our onboard footage. If this track looks familiar to you, maybe you've been there before in person, or maybe you have driven it on iRacing, but this is Virginia International Raceway. We were here just a couple days ago for the fabulous event Hyperfest, and it was a great time. So let's get started. So we're just coming down the front straight of the racetrack. We were getting some pretty good speeds out of this car for our first debut. We hit 145 miles an hour. What I really want to highlight here is how well balanced that car is when I hit braking threshold. I slowed the clip down a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about, but I slam on the brakes really hard here, and the car is kind of telling me that that is the limit of how much braking that I have, but it's so nicely balanced that rather than just locking up the front end or locking up the rear end, it's actually starting to like crab walk a little bit and wiggle underneath me. So I know that I can't brake any harder. That's as much as the car will give me. But it does so in such a manageable and friendly way that I just knew, oh, okay, yep, that's as far back as I can push back my braking zone.